everybody, Josh Jr. here for yet another rock hounding adventure. This adventure brings us to a dry creek bed in Harney County. And we're out here wandering around looking for some stuff. This creek bed here should be producing agate, possibly some jasper, some common opal, and petrified wood. So eyes have to be out looking for everything. And right here in front of us, I did see a few samples. And these are going to be smaller ones around here. That's a small chunk of common opal. Let's see what else we can find here. A broken piece of agate. There's one here. And just taking our good old sweet time. In no big hurry today. Having some rock therapy. There's a little guy. There's one there. Drop that one. So just gonna sweep the area. There's one. Okay. Does it help if you call here rock? Here rock. We'd go here Rocky, but that's Rocky's name. They're sleeping right now, so they're doing just fine without us. Oh, get the shadow out of here. And let's see what else we can find. Not much in this area. Oh, then I say something. What's that? Whoops. It's got opal agatized material in it too. Cool. And let's keep walking around. Well, we'll keep looking for, oh, there's one. Right there. Okay. Well, we're going to keep wandering around and see what else we can find. But not too bad for the first little few minutes. Beautiful day, though. Well, I'm back. I walked up and down a couple channels, found a couple more pieces. Sometimes I walk back behind me to see if there's anything I've missed, because I am not sometimes very good at this. There's a small one there. One there. And as always, if you see something, be sure to yell. Let me know. There's one right there in the middle. that? Nope, that's not one, but that is. Yep, always looking. I was hoping to find more in here. Let's look up here. Yep, there's one. Right there. I don't hear any of you yelling at me saying, hey, there's one. So I must be doing okay in not finding any myself, I guess. Or that means I'm not missing any. Okay, the ground has changed a little bit. So I think I'm going to go up to the next spot that looks promising and bring you guys out. And see if I can find any more. Well, really nothing too spectacular, but that's the joys of rock hounding. You never know what you're going to find. Now, I did walk up here to this spot here, and there's that one. There's that one there. There's a little one, and there's a little one there. So the hounding is good. The finding could be better, but look where I'm at. And there's an agate. There's one there. That's the biggest one of the day, I think. So this is why we keep looking. Here's opal. This reminds me of black rock opal out of Nevada. Huh, interesting. I'll throw that in the bag. I have some of that black rock opal. That's why it reminds me of it. Let's see what's down here in this bit of a hole. Don't see much. I've usually not found much in areas like this before. Usually where it gets more spread out. But still have to look, because you still could find something. Just got to take your time and be patient. So I'll go up this way, then I'll work around to my right and come back the direction I was at. Oh, there's a piece right there. Cool. Still no petrified wood though. And that's what the Mrs. Jaws Jr. is the most excited about. So let's go walk over to here and walk back down this way here. And check out this piece here. No, that's nothing. I could tell them we'll take a polish though, and there's something here. Well, that's different. I'll keep it. Nah. Huh, an old jar or bottle. I'm going to keep that one. It's intact. I got people who likes to collect those. But with that, there is this agate right here too. Yeah. And then there's this one here. So that bottle is interesting. I'll clean it up, see if there's any date stampings on it. Okay, well, we're going to go find another spot. Okay, we came into another spot that looks very promising. So I want to wander around this here, look at everything pretty close to see what I find. And see if there's anything worth keeping it. There's one there. There's a small one. Not very big, but I'll pick it up. There's one there. Oh, there's something. Yep. So we got that one. That one. There's this. And I was eyeing this here. I'm going to keep that. That's going to take a polish. Now, a lot of this red is just red colored coating. The inside of it's black. But that's an actual piece of jasper. That'll take a polish. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, there's one. Right there. That's just a thin little guy. Still no petrified wood. Nope, nothing up here. Okay, I'm going to move on to another spot. Well, I just found something interesting. Look at this. I'm almost thinking this is opalized petrified wood. Whatever it is, I'm keeping it. It looks cool. I love the patterns on that. And I also found those. I'd like to find something else with you guys. Use that. I'm after this right here. That was sticking out like a sore thumb, like a beacon. There's going to be some bloom in that. Off to find something else. You get excited about going to look at a spot, but then you look down as you step up, and look what you find. That's always a nice thing. Now, is it worth being excited about this spot? Yep, there is. Look at this here. There's another agate right there. Cool. Oh, there's a glower. There it is right there. Sorry, I had to look around. I heard something that didn't make sense around here. My head is always on a swivel in addition to looking down, because there could be a rattlesnake here. There could be who knows what. If it's a deer that sneaks up on me, or if there's an antelope out here, I want to look at it. But that's the joys of being out here, places like this. And we found this because we stopped alongside the road and walked a little bit, and we found this spot. This is our second time here, and so far it's been worth the trip coming back. And one nice thing about an area like this here that the cattle walk into a lot, they'll disrupt the soil. Then the spring runoff will come in here and turn the dirt and the rocks and expose new stuff. Because I don't know if you've noticed, I have no tools with me. I am not digging anything. This is all surface, float, find. And so between the cattle, and there's an agate right there. So between the cattle and the water runoff, that's what we're dependent on to turn things over for us to find new stuff. This last time we were here, we scoured this pretty hard. And we found a lot. Oh, there's another agate right there. Look at that one. But also, I'm getting close to my time limit, because I want to get back to the pugs. And today is not a hard and heavy rock hounding day anyway. This is to get out, just relax. We're on a kind of a vacation time in parts of southeastern and central Oregon. But you know, even if it's just for a handful of rocks and a pretty cool glass bottle, it's always worth it. And as I'm rambling along, I have not seen anything else. So I'll put these in the bag. And we'll go down a few more minutes. And then I've got to turn around and walk myself back. So one more area we're going to look at, then I'm going to end this one. Okay, well, I've got a couple of them here. And we're going to wander up this way here to see what we can find. So we got this one here. That's a nice one. So we're just going to walk up here. There's one there. Is that one? Yep, there's one. Goes in the pocket. Oh, there's one that's cool. Just a little guy. Partially buried in the ground. What's this? Oh, here's this one. Look at that. Nice. There's one up here. Okay, I got to get back to the vehicle. But this gives you an idea. Just get out and wander around. Even if they're small agates, it's always a thrill to pick them up. And these would be great ones to polish in a 3-pound tumbler like a Harbor Freight or a lower tone Model 3 or 33B. So these might see a polish in the future. Yes, I want to keep looking. It's my problem. Get addicted to this, but I also have time commitments. I have to get back to the pugs. So just remember, everyone's life is an adventure. Then there's mine out here rock hounding. Picking up, ooh, that's the biggest one yet today. Picking up some pretty cool rocks. This is the Adventures of Jaws Jr. Have a good one, everybody. See ya.